Here's part 2. I don't know how clear this comes in, but what I'm seeing is pretty amazing. The snow is just blowing basically sideways. And basically you'll get these brief spin-ups of what almost looks like a snow tornado for 1 minute. I just had one when I was sitting here, but I think it came from above. It just looked like a whole bunch of swirling snow. It was kind of cool. Now, this one guy asked, can you have a tornado in the snow, like a snow tornado? Of course you can't have a snow tornado, but you can have like a snow kind of whirlwind where you kind of get a whole bunch of snow that kind of just spins around. It's kind of cool. Kind of like a dust devil kind of. You can get thunder snow though. And that's pretty cool. We're supposed to get some of that, which I will then take videos of. I'm in Missouri, Kansas City, Missouri. In the city, not the country. You'd be surprised. Sometimes those cities get the worst weather. People always think, oh, well, it's only like the country parts that get the bad weather, but New York gets a lot of bad weather. Dang. Here it comes. I could hear it when I was sitting over here at my computer. I could hear the wind kicking up. Anyways, that's basically what's going on over here. Very pretty to look at, but not anything you want to get out in. There's the trees. Look at the apartments. They've got all the snow. Can't even see you can hardly see the apartments over on the other side of the valley. And it's not like ice, thank God. See the power lines, they don't have anything on them, so probably we're not going to lose power. I can't wait until spring because I'm going to take some video of hail. Large hail, hopefully. Some really good storms. Because this is not all Missouri can do. It's just snow. It can get some pretty nasty storms in the spring. And that's what you really want to pay attention to. Because this stuff, annoying. You know, if you're out in it, it's dangerous. But if you're at home, it's not dangerous. So, I mean, it's basically going to be the same thing. I could do this for like 2 hours. And it would just be the same thing. But when you get severe weather, you've got the severe rains, the flooding rains, you get the lightning, thunder, hail, sometimes spin up of tornadoes, different cloud formations. So you've got different things going on there. Wow. And hopefully this shows up in the video. I'll have to look at it when I'm finally done here, but from my vantage point, this is really, it's like a lot. Hopefully this is the worst of it. If this is the worst of it, then I'm not worried anymore. If this is the worst of it. If it's going to get worse than this, I might be a little worried. Oh, there's a UPS truck. What? Yeah, UPS is out in this. Can't see it, but it's on the other side of the garages over there. It's having a hard time driving. Or the guy's having a hard time driving. Yeah, he's going very, very slow. It's so noisy. It does look like a snow tornado a little bit, some of the spinning snow. Anyways, hopefully people get the idea of, it's really snowy. I'm going to take some pictures now. Oops. Because this is just the same thing over and over again. Alright. Alright, so I zoomed in really, really close to the snow. Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh. I live by all these trees, obviously, because you're seeing them over here. But it's just so loud, like, when the wind blows. Oh my gosh. That is... I'm looking all the way at the other side of there, and it looks like there's maybe... It's real deep over the other side of the valley. It's probably just an optical illusion, though. Because right here, it's still deep, but I would say maybe 5 inches so far. It's really pretty. That's a really pretty picture. I wish I could take a picture. My camera doesn't zoom out far enough to take a really good picture of the whole valley and everything. I'll try it again, but yeah. That's basically it. Look at those flakes. Pretty big. Pretty huge now. It's getting worse, I guess.